Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today is another colourful look. It's been quite warm in the UK for once, so it's inspired me to go all colourful. And yeah, I think people prefer to see like the colourful ones anyway. So yeah, that is what today's tutorial is. It's this kind of halo spotlight eye with some graphic liner. Everyone likes to see some colour. So yeah, if this looks like something you'd enjoy and like to learn how I made it, find out how I created this look, then please keep on watching. And if you do enjoy the video, please give the video a like, leave me a comment down below, and do click the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos, and I do appreciate it very much. So now without further ado, let's get into the video. So as you can probably see, I've already done one eye off camera. I'm just going to get into the second one. I've already done my eyebrows and set my lids, as you can see. So yeah, let's get into it. So the palette I'm going to use today is the Morphe 35C. The sun is shining and I'm in a colourful mood. So this is why I'm going in with this one. And I'm just going to take this dark fuchsia pink shade. I hope this is possible to see on camera. And this is going to be like our crease shade and like the main, you know, focal point colour. So I am just going to start packing that through the crease and onto the lid as well. I'm then going to take the light pink shades in the palette and use them to blend out that colour. I'm then going to take this like dark purpley pinky shade just to deepen up that pink colour. So I'm going to just take it darker in like the crease and the outer parts of the lid. I'm then going to take the NYX Eye base in the shade white, and I'm going to use this to cut out the centre part of my lid. This is not super pigmented. I'm still trying to find something that's white and like pigmented. So I'm going to set this with the white from the Morphe palette, then go back in with it again, then set it until I'm happy with the whiteness. That just sounded terrible. With the opacity, with the pigment, you know what I mean. It's totally looking absolutely insane at the minute, but you know, if it looks absolutely insane, you're doing it right. That's the rule. I'm then going to go back into some of these pink shades. I'm just going to mix around, to be honest, and then just blend it into that white until I am happy. So obviously you can make your halo eye a lot sharper than I have, but I'm gonna just line that top bit, so who even cares? Okay, so I'm just gonna line that top bit just because, I don't know, I wanted to make it a little bit more interesting and not keep it boring. So I went in with the NYX Vivid Brights liner. This one's in the shade Vivid Halo. And I'm gonna line my halo eye. Just so you know, these ones don't crack as badly as the white one does. Just, you know, for future reference. Not too bad, but if anyone knows of any coloured eyeliners that like don't crack and also don't cost like £400, then let me know. I'm just taking the Soap & Glory Supercat eyeliner, and drawing a line across my eyelid. This is just to cover my false lash band. My false lash band. When I glue my lashes on. I'm going to take the Maybelline Big Eyes Volume Express Mascara and apply a few coats to my top lashes. Okay, so I've just ordered loads of new eyelashes, which I'm very excited about. These are the Olivia Belle lashes. These are in the style Chelsea, and they just look like this. And I'm just going to glue them onto this eye, and if you can see on this eye there, it's super nice. While the glue is drying on my eyelashes, I'm just going to take that white we went in with in that palette, and I'm just going to use it to highlight my brow bone. How nice these eyelashes, like seriously. Oh my god. They're really lightweight, by the way. That sounds stupid, but like I don't even feel like I have them on my lids, which is like really nice. Right, so I'm just gonna do my face off camera, and then I will be back as usual to finish off the lower lash line and, you know, to show you the finished look. Okay, so now I'm looking totally insane. I'm gonna go into this yellow shade from that palette. Right, I'm gonna go into that yellow shade and hope that it's pigmented. And just run that along the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take the NYX Wonder Pencil and just run this along my waterline. I think I'm just going to add some pink on the outer parts of this lower lash line because I'm not super happy with it. And then it's just a little bit more cohesive. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please give the video a like down below, leave me a comment as well, and please click the subscribe button because I do appreciate it very much, and it also helps my channel a great deal. So thank you very much if you have already subscribed, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you all very soon. Thanks everyone, bye!